Turmeric milk is a simple yet powerful beverage that can be made in just a few minutes. Mixing turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root with milk can create a delicious and nutritious drink packed with health benefits. Adding other spices like ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, cloves, and black pepper enhances the flavor and the health benefits even further. Whether you prefer it sweetened with honey or jaggery, turmeric milk is a warm and comforting drink that can help you relax and soothe your body and mind, especially when consumed before bedtime. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an incredibly enlightening topic to explore, the fantastic benefits of drinking turmeric milk every day. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk or haldi doodh in India, is a delicious and nutritious drink that has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to treat various ailments and boost immunity. But what exactly is turmeric milk and how does it benefit your health? Trust me, this is one health habit you won't want to miss out on. But why is turmeric milk so good for you? Well, the main reason is that turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which is responsible for its bright yellow color and its amazing health properties. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that can help protect your cells from damage, fight off disease and infections, and reduce inflammation and pain. Curcumin has also been shown to have beneficial effects on various aspects of your health. Before we continue, remember to hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and turn on the notifications so that you get all of our new video uploads every week. Benefit number 1, improved digestion. Curcumin has been shown to stimulate bile production, which aids in the digestion of fats and can prevent bloating, gas, and indigestion. It can also help to heal ulcers and prevent diarrhea. Furthermore, it has a soothing effect on the digestive tract, making it an excellent option for individuals dealing with indigestion, bloating, or gas issues. Benefit number 2, cognitive health. Curcumin, a compound found in turmeric, can work wonders for your mind and body. Increasing the levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, can help improve your memory and brain function. Additionally, curcumin can potentially prevent or slow down the progression of Alzheimer's disease by reducing the accumulation of amyloid plaques in the brain. Drinking turmeric milk is a simple and easy way to incorporate curcumin into your diet and reap the benefits of this incredible compound. So why not try it and start caring for your body and mind today? Benefit number 3, lower blood pressure. Curcumin is a powerful natural compound that can significantly improve endothelial function, effectively lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, prevent blood clots, and notably reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Benefit number 4, glowing skin. Curcumin has the potential to help us achieve better skin health. By aiding in wound healing, reducing acne, eczema, and psoriasis, and preventing premature aging and wrinkles, curcumin can help us feel more confident and comfortable in our skin. Furthermore, it can help lighten skin pigmentation and scars, giving us a renewed sense of hope and possibility. With its many benefits, curcumin is a natural way to improve our skin health and overall well-being. Benefit number 5, anti-inflammatory. If you are battling joint pain and stiffness due to osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis, curcumin could be a valuable natural remedy to consider. This compound, found in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation and swelling in the affected joints. Additionally, curcumin can help prevent cartilage degradation and bone loss by inhibiting the activity of osteoclasts, the cells responsible for breaking down bone tissue. Incorporating curcumin into your diet or through supplements could be a constructive way to manage the symptoms of arthritis and improve joint health. Benefit number 6, boost immune system. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your immune system, curcumin might be a helpful supplement. Studies have shown that it can regulate the activity of different immune cells, such as macrophages, T cells, B cells, and natural killer cells, which can help improve your body's defense against infections. Moreover, curcumin can enhance the production of antibodies and cytokines, essential immune system components that fight off diseases. Benefit number 7, help prevent cancer. Without a doubt, curcumin is a highly potent natural compound that effectively prevents and treats cancer. It expertly targets and disrupts multiple pathways crucial for developing, growing, and spreading cancer cells. Furthermore, It significantly enhances the sensitivity of cancer cells to chemotherapy and radiation therapy, while shielding normal cells from any adverse effects. As you can see, turmeric milk has a lot of benefits for your health. But how do you make it? Well, it's very easy. All you need are some simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Here is a basic recipe for turmeric milk that you can try at home. The ingredients: 1 cup of milk, cow's milk or plant-based milk. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder or 1 teaspoon of freshly grated turmeric root. A pinch of black pepper to increase the absorption of curcumin. Optional: other spices like ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, or cloves. Optional: honey or jaggery for sweetness. Directions: in a small saucepan over medium heat, whisk together the milk, turmeric powder or root, black pepper, and other spices if using. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes. Strain the mixture if using fresh turmeric root or ginger. Add honey or jaggery if desired and stir well. Enjoy your turmeric milk while it's hot or warm. You can also make turmeric milk in a microwave by heating the milk in a microwave-safe mug for about 2 minutes, then adding the turmeric powder or root, black pepper, and other spices and stirring well. You can also use a blender to froth up the milk and make it more creamy and latte-like. You can drink turmeric milk once or twice a day, preferably in the morning and before bedtime. However, you should not drink more than 3 cups a day, as too much turmeric can cause some side effects, such as nausea, diarrhea, headache, allergic reactions, or kidney stones. You should also consult your doctor before drinking turmeric milk if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, have a bleeding disorder, have gallstones or bile duct obstruction, have diabetes, or are taking any medications. So, what are you waiting for? Try this amazing drink today and see for yourself how it can improve your health and well-being. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.